Real story, God must. Jesus, allow me to tell. Watch you now. Me and a girl drunk. It's why we drunk and we go home one night. Me say boy, I live by myself, so I don't buy flour, I don't buy bread, I don't buy cornflakes. Because then three sitting there colliding. When you cook it one time, you don't want it again till the rest of the week and it spoil. So you know, so me in the room and the girl come in there, she have list tongue. You know? Simon, the cornflakes spoil. So I say, you mean cornflakes spoil? And I say, boy, I don't buy cornflakes. You know? No man, this is some cornflakes for your first stop. I eat them, I feel so good. I say, show me the cornflakes, because I say, boy, I don't buy cornflakes. You see me go out there, I'm a good fish feeding. The girl mix out my fish feeding with my good blood clot, long life milk, one more to make me tea. You want to see me fish face them in the morning. No blood clot feeding to give them. Melissa Watson, if you top them out people fish feeding about a cornflakes at the front.